Ever wonder how giants like Netflix, Amazon, or Airbnb handle millions of users without owning huge data centers? The secret is AWS. Today, we're diving into what AWS really is, why so many businesses rely on it, and how mastering it can give your career a serious boost. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding what AWS really is. Launched by Amazon in 2006, it's a cloud computing platform that lets companies rent computing power instead of buying costly physical servers. It's trusted worldwide, from startups to governments, for its scalability and enterprise-grade security. With over 200 services, including computing, storage, databases, AI, and security, AWS supports millions of customers across the globe. It's a powerful, reliable foundation for modern technology. Let's talk about how cloud computing changes the game. Before the cloud, businesses had to buy expensive servers, install software, and maintain all that hardware themselves. It meant big upfront costs and a lot of planning. Now, with the cloud, they rent resources on demand, launch servers in minutes, and pay only for what they use. This shift frees them up to focus on what really matters: innovation, not infrastructure. It's a whole new way of working. AWS offers a vast range of services that cover nearly every corner of modern technology. From generative AI with Amazon Bedrock to secure identity management and compliance tools, it's all here. You've got isolated networks through Amazon VPC, managed databases with Amazon RDS, and reliable storage using Amazon S3. On top of that, virtual servers powered by Amazon EC2 handle your computing needs. Think of AWS as a complete toolbox, each service designed to solve a specific business challenge. Let's look at the big four, the most popular AWS services that power so many applications today. First, Amazon RDS takes care of relational databases, handling backups, updates, and maintenance automatically. Then there's AWS Lambda, which lets us run code without managing servers, perfect for event-driven, serverless apps. Amazon S3 offers highly durable storage for anything from images to backups at any scale. And finally, Amazon EC2 provides virtual machines, the foundation for hosting websites and applications in the cloud. Data centers all around the world work behind the scenes to deliver fast, reliable service wherever you are. They keep things secure with layers like identity management, encryption, and strict compliance standards. When demand spikes, applications automatically scale up, then scale down when things quiet down, saving money. You pay only for what you use, avoiding big upfront costs. This combination is why millions of businesses choose AWS every day. We're looking at the core strengths that make this platform more than just a cost saver. Built-in security means encryption, access control, and continuous monitoring protect your sensitive data by default. Scalability lets you handle sudden traffic spikes, like a product launch or viral moment, without missing a beat. High availability runs your apps across multiple zones, minimizing downtime and boosting resilience. And speed and agility mean you can launch applications in minutes, with infrastructure ready instantly. It's all designed to keep you fast, safe, and reliable. Let's look at who trusts AWS to power their biggest challenges. From NASA's space missions to BMW's automotive innovations, AWS handles enterprise workloads at massive scale. Samsung and Adobe rely on it too. Airbnb connects travelers and hosts all around the world, while Netflix streams to millions of viewers every day. AWS is the backbone for some of the world's most demanding and diverse applications, from entertainment to exploration. Let's talk about the roles that shape the future of cloud technology. Data and AI engineers build data pipelines, machine learning models, and AI applications that power smarter decisions. DevOps engineers automate software deployment and infrastructure, making everything run smoothly. Solutions architects design scalable, cost-effective cloud systems that meet real business needs. Cloud engineers build and maintain the cloud infrastructure, often on AWS. These AWS skills are in high demand worldwide. Certifications open doors and boost careers. This is your future in the cloud. Thanks for joining me on this journey through AWS. Whether you're a student, developer, or IT pro, learning AWS is a smart move for your future. In the next video, we'll dive into Amazon EC2 and see what it's all about. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.